friends, today we are going to make kids-friendly homemade clay. So let's get started. We will take a bowl and add around 2 tablespoons of water and 2 tablespoons of salt and mix well until the salt dissolves. Keep mixing. This salt will act as a preservative in the clay. Now we will add around 2 big spoons of all-purpose flour or maida into the water and mix well. At this point, add 1 tablespoon of any baby oil or regular oil. This oil will give shining texture to the clay. Now I am adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of body lotion to ensure a good fragrance. Now mix well all the ingredients and start kneading like a dough. Now keep kneading until the dough becomes soft. If you feel the dough is too hard to handle and very soft, you can add little amount of all-purpose flour into it and knead well. To ensure the dough is ready or not, the dough should break into teardrop consistency. Clay dough is ready now. Keep the clay in any ziplock or any airtight containers. You can keep this clay in refrigerator for about 15 to 20 days. Now I am adding some colors to the clay. You can use food color, acrylic or whatever color you have. Here I am not having any food color, so I am adding acrylic colors to make it more attractive for kids. Kids-friendly, non-toxic clay dough is ready for kids. If you like the video, please do subscribe, like and share our channel. Thanks for watching.